So this is our new house. We just bought it a few months ago and we're really excited about making some updates. The lights in the house are a little dated, so it needs some refreshing. So this is the entrance. It's a big, beautiful, open foyer. We're going to start by updating all the sconces throughout the entire house. We looked around and found that Lamps Plus had the best selection at the best prices. We chose a more contemporary style to update the inside of the house. The warm light these fixtures give off is just so beautiful. It changed the whole feel of the inside. The kitchen is where we're making the biggest change. I can't wait to update the over-the-island chandelier in here. We weren't entirely sure what to do. But once we found this beautiful pendant at Lamps Plus, it helped us figure out the updated design of the whole kitchen area. Then the rest of the house started to come together beautifully. Lamps Plus helped us find some interesting pieces that truly made our room stand out. We absolutely love this modern fixture in our family room. It was so easy. We're so happy we made the updates.